In JavaScript, the string indexOf method returns the index of the first occurrence of a given substring within a string. Let's give ourselves a string. So, let stir equals hit. For this example, we would look for it in hit. So, const I equals stir dot index of string it. If we console.log I, then run the code, you'll see I is 1, meaning the first occurrence of it within hit occurs starting the index 1. Next, we will do an example using the optional second argument. Let's delete everything except the string. Then make stir be string Tarek Skubal. Let's say we're looking for the k's in Tarek Skubal. We can do const I equals stir dot index of k. I, like you saw in the last example, will store the index of the first k. So, how do you get subsequent k's? Well, index of has an optional argument. We can do const j equals stir dot index of string k and I plus 1. What this says is give me the index of the first k after the index I have provided to index of. Finally, we'll see what happens if we call index of to search for a substring that isn't there. Unless I really struggle with the English language, there are only 2 k's in Tarek Skubal's name. So we can do const k equals stir dot index of k and j plus 1. Theoretically, there are no k's after the second one, so the value of k should show what happens if index of cannot find the substring you are looking for. If you console.log I, j, and k, then run the code, you'll see that I and j are 4 and 7 like you would expect, and k is -1. Meaning, when index of cannot find the substring you are looking for, it returns -1. This has been Shkubacation. Like and subscribe to learn more.